Hello Stalkers, I hope you're doing very well. Today we're gonna talk about how to find the alpha team and how to finish the death frequency mission. Before we start, I would like to express my big gratitude to all of you guys who liked the previous videos, and of course a big thank you for the tips and tricks that you wrote in the comments. You are quite hustlers, Stalkers, I will give you that. So let's move on. How to find the team alpha. Many people have a problem with searching the alpha team in the claw, and it is one of those missions that has more options than just one or two. There is two teams over here, Alpha and Bravo. It is a part of a mission that is called the Death Frequency, which after you finish the story mission of Chasing Ghosts, you're gonna get to that frequency that you are tasked to go into Camp Icarus and uncovering the culprit. So there are two main paths that I would say in that frequency. I used one special path as well. I implemented a little bit of a unique approach. I actually started searching for the Bravo team instead of the Alpha team to see if there's gonna be any difference. So instead of going first to the claw, I went to the vent. At the vent you find some stairs, they go under the ground, and over there I found some of the Bravo team. You get to choose whether to kill them again or whether to not. It's your choice, of course. If you kill them you get above 10,000 rubles, so it's your choice at the end. Over there, of course, I found Kozimkov. He tells me that Sterev is at Eco Station, etc, etc, and at the end I get to kill him. After I killed Kozimkov, I went on the ladder up and I went back to search for the Alpha team. Went straight to the gas station and the interesting psi field it holds there. The claw is an empty named area, which is east of Izu Mrudin. A deep gash in the ground, which is very deep and it looks pretty scary. It has some psi influence, which can be very strong if you go on the back side of the door of the gas station, which is over there. Honestly, I didn't use any psi block in order to finish this mission. I play on veteran Stalker, so you won't have any problems with it. Honestly, I didn't have any problem. First thing that I did, I went around the big hole in the ground, and it's literally I just spoke with the guy who is lost over here and very scared that he's alone. And as you can see in the video, he finished. I hope he's happy in his afterlife and he's not alone anymore. Either way, I went over there down first, killed the snorks down there, found the rest of the team. I found the PDA that I need the information on. One of the Alpha team guys, by the way, is hiding literally behind the claw on the other side. You're gonna find him as you are going outside of the hole in the ground. You're gonna see him on the other side of the anomalies. By the way, in this place, which is called the claw, you can find an interesting anomaly over there when you go. So keep that in mind as well, that you can explore this place. It has interesting stuff to find. After that, hidden literally, like slowly not being revealed, went behind the door of the gas station and I shot the guy that was standing there, which is the last Alpha team. Kill him painlessly. So keep in mind, when you ask the soldiers about Sterev, the second they hear his name, everyone will want to kill you. Literally, like, I don't know what that guy did, but you can obviously see that everyone is mad at him. After you finish finding the Alpha team and of course killing them, which will give you pretty good sum of money, you're gonna finish going to the Eco Station, which is east from the vent. At the Eco Station, I'm not gonna spoiler you guys. If you wanna know something more, it's not that complex mission. Let me know, I will make a video about it and comment about that. So now, as of the end of the video, I'm gonna show you a small tip how to enter Icarus camp without being noticed. I'm gonna try over here to show you actually what happens and why the Icarus camp area is grey. Don't worry if it's grey on the start of this mission for you, especially if you are siding with Spark. Sooner or later you're gonna be able to enter the camp Icarus. I'm guaranteeing you that. As a bonus tip, I'm gonna share with you over here how I enter the Icarus camp. You can also find a sweet stash, which is, as many of the stashes, not worth it, but it's fun doing it. So as you can see, there is a small gap in the wall over there. You can jump over it. And on the other side of the buildings where I'm showing you right now, you can literally go slowly around and get to the building. But if you are siding with Spark, you are not gonna be able to get inside. Everything will be locked, and I'm just gonna show you literally, guys. As you can see, the worst thing that can happen when you're sneaking on the guards is them being triggered by something totally different. Some mutant or some bandits or whatever. If that happens, you're not gonna have much luck to get out of there alive, I promise you that. So as you can see, I'm showing you the doors are locked, but don't worry, you're gonna get a chance to get to Icarus camp soon in the missions in the future, that's for sure. So Stalkers, this is it for today. As already shared with you, I love talking about Stalker and I have prepared more subjects on it. If there is something special that you want to know and that you are interested in, please do let us know and we will be happy to do it. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Even more, thank you so much for listening. I wish you a wonderful day, even much more wonderful evening. And see you in the zone, Stalkers.